Girl, you never saw the signs. All you ever did was fight. Things don't know what they see. They see. And now he's found another bride. I can see it there inside. All this pain that you keep. This time, I'll be what you really need in your life. And I wanna tell you what's in my heart. Our forever, girl, is starting tonight. I'll be what you really need. For my world, you're my fire, fire. You're the one I've been waiting to hold on to. For my world, you're my fire, fire. Let me make it on time.
You can get it, what you think about that? You're my world, you're my fire, you're my life, you're my fire, you're my soul, you're my fire. Come on, you can get it, what you think about that? You're my world, you're my fire, you're my life, you're my fire, you're my soul, you're my fire. When you close to me, you're my fire.
I don't wanna see you cry, so can we try to make it right?
Give it up for your main
learned
man.
how to work on my own, making my own short film, how to edit and direct it on my own. I'd like to thank the ANA company for funding this program, Intersections, because without them there will be no program like this for us, the youth. The thing I enjoy the most is the filming. When we're filming my short film, I enjoy it because it's the first time on my own directing without relying on somebody else.
You're the one I've been waiting to.
Malor soifua.
Hello. Are you Mrs. Thompson?
Yes, I am. What can I do for you?
Oh, we are from your daughter's school, Marinita. Shall we come in?
Yes, please come in.
Malor soifua. Ya e fa malulua tu tina tu soifui mali. So li vale o lo mota. O maua o le mai le onga lo walo Mernita. I am the teacher and she is the principal of our school. And we just came here for some notice for you if you know that your daughter was not being in school a month now.
It has been
In heading our policy where your daughter was not being graduated for this semester.
How can that be? My daughter comes to school every day. I even drop her off myself.
I'm very sorry, Mrs. Thompson. Your daughter hasn't been in school for over a month now. According to our records, she hasn't been in school in over a month now, and she hasn't been sitting an exam for this month. And I don't think your daughter will be graduating this semester. So you really need to talk to her and find out where she's been through all this time.
Thank you for letting me know. I will wait until my daughter gets home and I will talk to her. And then I will let you two know what the outcome is. Huh?
Thank you. We'll see you again.
Ja, maar weer daar fase voor.
Hi, Mom. I'm home.
Sit down, Nita. Your principal and your teacher just left the house 5 hours ago. They told me you haven't been in school for a whole month now. I drop you off to school every morning. Where are you going?
School? I've been going to school each day when you drop me off to school.
No, I just told you your teacher and your principal were just here. They told me you haven't been in school over a month now. You haven't sat any of the exams and you're not going to graduate.
Mom, I'm really sorry for not going to school. I know how hard you prayed for me every day when you dropped me off. And I'm really sorry for that, for not answering what you wanted, what you have always wanted me when you dropped me off to school. And deep from my heart, I feel very sorry for not going to school every day when you dropped me off.
Okay, this is what we're going to do. Tomorrow, we're going to go back to the school and make this right. Try to get you back so you can graduate. And you better not do this anymore. You hear me?